Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone would be fine. So today I'm making you revise all the formulas and identities of trigonometric function. So now the first one is this is right angled alter trigonometric. All the relations will be valid by considering the right angle triangle. So right angle triangle. Now for this definition we assume theta. Suppose that this is a right angle triangle and this is opposite side, this is base and this one is the hypotenuse. So three sides are there which we called base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So the theta, angle theta, this angle theta should be greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. This angle theta should be greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Or you can say in the angle term, theta that will be greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So first formula you please keep noting sin theta. Sin theta is equals to P by H. Sin theta equals to P by H, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to B by H, that is base by height. Cos theta equals to B by H, that is base by height. Tan theta is equals to P by B, that is perpendicular by base. Now cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, so sin theta can be written as, so cosec theta can be written as H by P, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sec theta is opposite of, or you can say inverse of cos theta, so sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, which is equals to hypotenuse by base. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta, so cot theta can be written as B by P. Now you can see that this is a unit circle. Okay, so sin theta y by 1, that is equals to y, that is equals to y. This in a circle, if you will draw from radius is hypotenuse, so and this one is the y and this is x, so sin theta equals to y by P by H, so y by 1, so that will be equals to y. Unit circle having radius 1, so that is the unit circle. So cos theta equals to x by 1, that is equals to x. Tan theta equals to y by x. In this way you can easily find out all the things. Now formulas and identities. Tan and cot. So tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Now reciprocal identities. So cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Please keep noting all the points. Cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Then sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. Next point, sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Now tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. So now Pythagoras identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Pythagoras theorem you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 plus sec tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Now 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Now even and odd function. Now even and odd formulas. Sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta equals to cos theta. Tan minus theta equals to minus tan theta. Cosec minus theta equals to minus cosec theta. Sec minus theta is equals to sec theta. Cot minus theta equals to minus cot theta. Now we will move ahead. Some of the periodic formulas. If n is an integer, then sin theta plus 2 pi by 2 pi n, that is equals to sin theta. Sin theta plus 2 pi n is equals to sin theta. Cos theta plus 2 pi n equals to cos theta. Tan theta plus pi n equals to tan theta. Cosec theta plus 2 pi n equals to cosec theta. Cosec theta plus 2 pi n equals to cosec theta. Sec theta plus 2 pi n equals to sec theta. Cot theta plus pi n equals to cot theta. Now double angle formula. Now come to double angle formula. Sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. That can also be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now next point, tan 2 theta, that will be equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. If you will not understand, then you please tell me. I'll make you understand all the formulas. You can easily find out the derivation of this formula also. So tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Degrees to radian formulas. Now degree to radian formulas. If x is an angle in degree and it is an angle in radians and t is the angle in radians. If x is an angle in degrees and t is an angle in radians, then pi by 180 equals to t by x. Pi by 180 equals to t by x, which can be written as t equals to pi x by 180. T is equals to pi x by 180. If x is an angle and in degrees t is an angle in radians, then pi by 180 degree or 180 is equals to t by x, and t can be written as pi x by 180. So x will be 180 t by pi. So x will be 180 t by pi. Now half angle formulas. So 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. So now 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to tan square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to tan square theta. Now write down next sum and difference formula. Sin alpha plus minus beta is equals to sin alpha cos beta plus minus cos alpha sin beta. First formula is sin alpha plus minus beta equals to sin alpha cos beta plus minus cos alpha sin beta. Now cos alpha plus minus beta is equals to cos alpha into cos beta minus plus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha plus minus beta is equals to cos alpha cos beta minus plus sin alpha sin beta. Tan alpha plus minus beta, that will be equals to tan alpha plus minus tan beta by 1 minus plus tan alpha beta. Tan alpha plus minus beta is equals to tan alpha plus minus tan beta divided by 1 minus plus tan alpha tan beta. Product to sum formula. Now product to sum formula. Sin alpha beta equals to 1 by 2 bracket cos alpha minus beta minus cos alpha plus beta. Sin alpha into sin beta equals to 1 by 2 cos alpha minus beta minus cos alpha plus beta. Next point, cos alpha into cos beta equals to 1 by 2 cos alpha minus beta plus cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha into cos beta equals to 1 by 2 cos alpha minus beta plus cos alpha plus beta. Sin alpha cos beta equals to 1 by 2 sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. Sin alpha cos beta equals to 1 by 2 sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. Cos alpha sin beta is equals to 1 by 2 sin alpha plus beta minus sin alpha minus beta. Cos alpha sin beta equals to 1 by 2 sin alpha plus beta minus sin alpha minus beta. Now sum to product formula. Sin alpha plus sin beta equals to 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. So sum to product formula, sin alpha plus sin beta equals to 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Sin alpha minus sin beta equals to 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Next point, cos alpha plus cos beta equals to 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Cos alpha plus cos beta equals to 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Cos alpha minus cos beta, that will be equals to minus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Cos alpha minus cos beta equals to minus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. Now co-function formulas. Write down sin pi by 2 minus theta equals to cos theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta equals to sin theta. Cosec pi by 2 minus theta equals to sec theta. Sec pi by 2 minus theta equals to cosec theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta equals to cot theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta equals to tan theta. So this is the unit circle. You can easily locate all the points here. This is the 0 angle. This is the pi by 6, then pi by 4, then pi by 3, then pi by 2. Then 2 by 3, 3 pi by 4, then 5 pi by 6, and this is pi. So in this way you can also write 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And this one is 120 degree, this 135 degree, 150 degree and 180 degree. So this is the unit circle. Example, you can also write, for any ordered pair on the unit circle x and y, semicolon cos theta equals to x and sin theta equals to y. Example can be cos pi by 3 equals to 1 by 2. Cos pi by 3 equals to cos 5 pi by 3 equals to 1 by 2. So you can easily put the angle and get the result or get the value. Please keep noting very fast. I'll move very fast. So now inverse trigonometric function. So definition, you can write y equals to sin inverse x is equivalent to x sin y. Y equals to sin inverse x is equivalent to x sin y. Y cos inverse x is equivalent to x cos y. Y cos inverse x is equals to equivalent to x equals to cos y. Y tan inverse x is equivalent to x tan equals to tan y. So now inverse properties. Cos into cos inverse of x is equals to x. Cos into cos inverse x is equals to x. Sin into sin inverse x is equals to x. Tan into tan inverse x is equals to x. Cos inverse into cos theta, that will be equals to cos theta. Sin inverse sin theta, that will be equals to sin theta. Tan inverse tan theta, that will be equals to theta. Once again I am repeating, cos inverse cos theta equals to theta, sin inverse sin theta equals to theta, tan inverse tan theta, that will be equals to theta. Now domain and range. So function y equals to sin inverse x. So its domain is -1. X is varying from -1 greater than equal to less than 1, less than equal to 1, -1 to 1. So domain will be -1 to 1 and range will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Y equals to sin inverse x -1 to 1, domain will be -1 to 1, range will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now y equals to cos inverse x. So its domain will be -1 to 1 and its range will be 0 to pi. Its range will be 0 to pi. Now next function y equals to tan inverse x. So domain will be -infinity to infinity and range will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Y equals to tan inverse x. So domain will be minus infinity to infinity and range will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now laws of sine, cosine and tangents. Now laws of sine, cosine and tangents. So this is the triangle, this is the side A, this is B and this is C. And the corresponding angles are alpha, beta and gamma. So law of sine, sine alpha by A equals to sine beta by B equals to sine gamma by C. Sine alpha by A equals to sine beta by B equals to sine gamma by C. Now law of cosine. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos alpha. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos alpha. Now B square equals to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos beta. B square equals to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos beta. C square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos gamma. C square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos gamma. Now next, law of tangents. Law of tangents. A minus B by A plus B, that will be equals to tan 1 by 2 alpha minus beta. A minus B by A plus B equals to tan 1 by 2 alpha minus beta. That is divided by tan 1 by 2 alpha plus beta. So A minus B divided by A plus B equals to tan 1 by 2 alpha minus beta divided by 1 by tan 1 by 2 alpha plus beta. B minus C can be written as tan 1 by 2 beta minus gamma. That is divided by tan 1 by 2 beta plus gamma. B minus C. So B minus C by B plus C tan 1 by 2 beta minus gamma divided by tan 1 by 2 beta plus gamma. Now next point, A minus C by A plus C. Next point, A minus C by A plus C. So 1 by 2 tan alpha minus gamma divided by 1 by 2 tan alpha plus gamma. 1 by 2 tan alpha minus gamma divided by 1 by 2 tan alpha plus gamma. And the last one is Molevid's formula. Molevid formula, A plus B by C, that will be equals to cos 1 by 2 alpha minus beta divided by 1 by 2 gamma, sine 1 by 2 gamma. A plus B by C equals to cos 1 by 2 alpha minus beta divided by sine 1 by 2 gamma. Hope you have written all the points. So this is all for the today. Thanks and have a nice day.